Alright, so I wanted to do a problem on the counting principle because we didn't get a chance to do a whole lot of these, and I wanted to make sure that if there was any questions on the counting principle that I addressed it in this video. So we're going to do this example. Find the number of ways you can make a license plate with 3 letters first and 3 digits. So for example, ABC123. Okay? Well, first of all, you have to think about how many slots I have to fill, and in this case I have 6 slots. The first 3 slots I want to be a letter. The second I want to be a number or a digit. Okay, now I'm going to do this first assuming that I can have repeats, so like this could be AAA111. Okay, if I did that, how many letters could I put here? I could put 26. Now next, how many letters then next? Well, it doesn't really matter what this first one was because I can repeat, and then the next one as well. And then how many digits? I would have 10 here, 0 through 9, 10 here, 0 through 9, and 10 here, 0 through 9. Okay, so that's one way that you can do this. Now, my counting principle tells me that I multiply all of these things together. Okay, so again, I'm going to multiply 26 times 26 times 26 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, now, and again, this is now having repeats, and I'm allowed to have repeats here. Then I am going to get about this number. Okay? Okay, so about 17,576,000 ways. Now, what if I said that you're not allowed to repeat a letter? Okay, so now again, I'm going to go ahead and set up my slots. Here's going to be a letter. However, let's say the first slot I fill with an A. Well, how many letters now do I have to choose from if I can't repeat? Now I have 25. How many would I have for the next one? Now 24. Okay, now as far as my numbers are concerned, again, I can have 10 digits here, but if I use a digit, I can't repeat it. So now I have 9, and now I have 8. Okay, so again, now I'm going to multiply all of these together, and that's going to reduce the number of options that I have now that I cannot repeat. And now I'm only going to have 11,232,000 ways to do it. Okay, so this is going to be your counting principle. We briefly went through this, but again, I wanted to make sure that you understood the difference between the two.